remember when I met you. The month of sweet November, clicked within an instant, helped me write my first love letter. Seen you everywhere, but never took the time to notice you. Now you're helping me achieve my dreams and keep me focused too. And it's true, I've never met nobody like you. When I was stuck in something, you helped me right through. When the water was getting rough, I knew you gave a damn. So with you in my palm, I got to hold it in my hand. Cause the price of happiness is high, but my dreams can't afford it. And with you in my dreams, I feel fully supported. Even when my life was on the verge of being distorted, you kept me on task, that merger quitting was avoided. And when I was slipping, you told me to get a grip. Took my words and transferred every single one out your tip. When they said I couldn't make it, showed me I can. Let me introduce the word of my best friend, my pen.
With the rhythm and the rhyme, you flow right through my soul. With the beat and the bass line, you make me wanna shine. I stress less in this sense, cause you always ride with me. You are my best friend. With a pen and a pad in the studio land, let loose and say F-U's and we must retaliate. Better rather stop the hate, keep our relations straight, cause you're still my best friend.
Who was always there for me through my ups and downs? Who was always there for me when no one was around? Who was always there for me hearing every word? You were always there for me digging my thoughts out the dirt. Who was always there for me so I can tell my story? Who was always there for me and never considered me boring? Who was always there for me to catch every tear? You were always there for me even though you were smeared. Who was always there for me when my mouth would stutter? Who was always there for me when I didn't have my father? Who was always there for me with no reason or purpose? You were always there for me, the grip of my hand was nervous. So I gotta thank you for sticking with me through the cold, risking your life every day when your ink was running low. The truth is I've been in love ever since our first date, so I'm living proof that everyone can find their soulmate.
With the rhythm and the rhyme, you flow right through my soul. With the beat and the bass line, you make me wanna shine. I stress less in this sense, cause you always ride with me. You are my best friend. With a pen and a pad in the studio land, let loose and say F-U's and we must retaliate. Better rather stop the hate, keep our relations straight, cause you're still my best friend.
My best friend, share the page of thoughts as my tears drop.
You won't keep on going when I wanted to stop.
My best friend kept me strong when everything went wrong.
You was always there for me when everybody else was
My
gone.
best friend led me towards a positive life.
When I was headed the wrong way, you pointed me to the
My
right.
best friend kept all my dreams alive and living.
You told me to never stop, cause the sky is the limit.
My best friend leading me to be the very best.
You're the secret cure to relieving all my stress.
My best friend is with me everywhere I go.
You opened up the doors that I always thought was closed.
My best friend always sticking right beside me.
When I was lost, you always knew how to find me.
My best friend been with me through all the hatred.